So the other day, a friend of mine calls me up out of the blue, totally stressed out. He's been vibe coding his new website and everything is just burning. He's been arguing with the AI for hours and nothing seems to work. So let's talk about it. AI is insane now. 2026, AI can write web applications, generate components,
generate SQL scripts, do data migrations, fix bugs, build dashboards, do...
So naturally, everybody tends to ask, do you really need to learn to code? Or can I just vibe my way through to a startup? You see, the truth is, vibe coding is a lot like flying a commercial airplane. The plane flies itself most of the time, but once something breaks, you do not want to be the guy that only knows which button looks shiny. It's the same thing in coding. If your AI-made system breaks, and inevitably it will, and you can't take manual control, you'll be stuck. Like really stuck. So do you need to learn to code in 2026? And the answer is, it depends. If your project doesn't need code, don't code. If it's a static page, company landing page, some simple e-commerce platform, blog, or something simple like that, dude, don't code. Use WordPress, Squarespace, Shopify, Webflow, any of the existing tools out there will be much easier to work with. And honestly, over the last few years, they have gotten really good. Otherwise, you'll just be giving yourself homework for no good reason. Now, if your project does need code, you need to learn to code, or at least you need to know the basics. Even the best AIs still have blind spots today. I've used all of them, and they're insane, but they're not mind readers. And you need to be able to guide them properly, and if necessary, you need to be able to also make manual intervention. So you need to know at least the basics. AI will do 90% for you, but you still need to know the last 10% to keep it on rails. So back to my friend. He's been vibe coding a sort of blog website for his new research study. He wanted to just simply display some news and some blog posts regarding this new research that he's doing. He's been trying to vibe code this because he heard about the vibe coding trend, and all he really did was like just use the prompt, tell the AI like simple things, make more spacing here, make these components center in the middle, and that usually works for a while until you hit something that the AI just doesn't understand. Usually that means you need to maybe explain it a bit better, explain it with some technical terms, or worst case, you need to do some manual intervention to fix it yourself. He couldn't do any of this, so he was stuck with arguing with the AI for hours, just essentially running in circles. Funny thing is, I took a quick look at it and it was very simple. You see, sometimes these issues are just kind of a misunderstanding by the AI, and the solution can be as simple as just displaying the box as flex and justifying center. But he didn't know that, so he got stuck, and the whole platform could never evolve. The worst part is he could have just used, a predefined website builder like WordPress or something else, and he could have had everything live within a short Saturday before the coffee even got cold. So the answer is simple. If your project needs code, you need to learn to code. But if it doesn't, do not try vibe coding. There is no middle ground. Because AI makes developers 10 times faster, but it does not turn non-developers into developers. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.